Before we continue reading, we're going to review the blue text box questions on the left. Number 5. What is a triumvirate? Number 6. What did Caesar do after he made himself dictator for life? Number 7. Why did some Romans oppose Caesar? The rise of Julius Caesar. By 60 BC, 3 men emerged as the most powerful in Rome. They were 3 generals, Crassus, Pompey, and Julius Caesar. They formed the first triumvirate. A triumvirate is a political partnership of 3 people. After Crassus died in battle, the senators thought that Caesar was becoming too popular. The senators ordered Caesar to give up his army. Instead, Caesar and his soldiers captured all of Italy. In 44 BC, Caesar made himself dictator for life. He also filled the Senate with people who supported him. Caesar knew many reforms were needed. He started new colonies so that farmers and soldiers would have land. He forced patricians to hire free workers instead of using slave labor. 60 BC, 3 generals formed the first triumvirate, Crassus, Pompey, and Julius Caesar. The senators thought Caesar was too popular. The senators ordered Caesar to give up his army. Caesar and his soldiers captured all of Italy. And in 44 BC, Caesar made himself dictator for life. Caesar's supporters thought he was a strong leader who brought peace to Rome. His enemies thought that he wanted to be king. On March 15, 44 BC, Caesar's enemies, led by Cassius and Brutus, stabbed him to death. From Republic to Empire. After Caesar was killed, civil war broke out. Octavian, Antony, and Lepidus won the civil war. Octavian was Caesar's 18-year-old grandnephew. Anthony and Lepidus had been Caesar's best generals. In 43 BC, they formed the Second Triumvirate. The Second Triumvirate did not last long. Lepidus retired from politics. Antony fell in love with the Egyptian queen Cleopatra. The two made an alliance. Octavian thought they wanted to take over Rome. Many Romans were upset by this news. Octavian declared war on Antony.